Hi, I'm Mark Fisher with Lincoln Electric's Advanced Technology Products Group. I'd like to discuss the differences in setup for robotic welding versus robotic HyperFill. The equipment is primarily the same. We have the same power wave, R450 or S700. The difference would be S700 in an AutoDrive 19 and our licensed waveform in either power wave. It's the same for our 220. Primary difference would be we've now added a dual inlet bushing so that we can feed both wires into the back of the 4R220. There's a special wire guide feed plate inside the 4R220. Both wires come in using the proprietary HyperFill drive roll. The wires are fed into one single gun liner in our Magnum Pro robotic water-cooled torch. The other primary difference, in addition to the bushing and the drive rolls, would be our tip holder. This is a cam lock quarter turn tip, and we use a 3/4 inch nozzle when welding with HyperFill. CoolWave 20S rounds out our cooling in addition to the aforementioned Magnum Pro water-cooled torch. For more information on HyperFill or Lincoln Electric's extensive portfolio of welding and cutting needs, please visit lincolnelectric.com.